Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a very tightly packed. Look at that! It's like in the food saver bags. A very tightly packed bag of bags. I think is what this should be. Let's see. Let's open it up, and there we are, decompressed. So I got these bags. These are just nice to have around for people when they come swimming and whatnot, so they can come back and take their wet stuff home. So check out what it is here. It's like a little mesh bag. And these are great for just people to have so you can pick up stuff. If they come visit your house or something like that, you can say, hey, why don't you put your wet stuff in here or whatever, so they can bring it home and hold it there. And it comes with a whole bunch of them. I guess there's some, I didn't even look at the colors, but it looks like there's some that have different colors and different sizes here. So we have the big ones. We have some small ones here. Let's see, I'll show you guys each of them. So this is the little ones here, and they come with the little closers on it. So when you close it up, it kind of cinches closed and stays there. So you can even use these for like laundry and stuff. Like a lot of people will put their delicates into a bag like this so it doesn't get messed up. So you have that size. We have this size. We have this size. We have one, two, and it looks like we have this third size here, the big ones. So look at that. So we got 3 different size mesh bags. 1, 2. This one here folds down. It's not that small. Like that. 3 different sizes. So if you need some good mesh bags for stuff, these are good and they're solid and they seem to be put together well, that they're not going to come apart very easily. So it's great for people who have certain wet things, or you want to hang something up to dry and don't want it to get messed up, or if you just want to pack things, it's good for packing cubes or whatever like that too. So got a lot of uses for these. I use these things all the time, so that's why I bought myself a big old pack of them. So these are super handy, and I mean, I even use them when I'm just going to go and donate some clothes or something. I jam everything into a little bag like this. I know even at the grocery stores nowadays, sometimes they charge for bags. You could even just use these for that. They're a little small, but very cool. I like these bags. So I'm going to say thumbs up and buy a whole big pack of bags.